come here. Let's go. You gotta go to your bed.
Chewy, you don't have to go home. We're just going outside, go potty.
You can't stay here. I know Grandma's is fun. Oh, no.
Come on, here.
Jack!
Come on, Jack.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Come on.
Close the door, Mom.
Guys, come on.
Willow, it's time to go home. Come on, Willow.
So sad. Oh, Bonnie, you're so sad. Grandma's going to see you on Thursday. He never wants to leave.
Ice. No, you're not. Come on.